Good morning traders, welcome to the 24th of June 2015. The trade for today is called Sasol and the code is SOL. Last traded price was 435 Rand. Action is to do a buy with the objective it will take off from this grey line to the green line. Entry is 432.53 and your target will be 458.48. Stop loss to be used is 423.88 on the red line. Looking at the current open trades at this time, you're going to see MTN, Shoprite and Aspen. Looking at the top 40 index of the JSE, and this is now crucial. The blue line indicates the top 40 index movement, and you can see it's a breakup happening. Look at the 10-day, that's the red line, and look at the 20-day, that's the grey line. At any time if this red breaks this grey up, similar to this movement, more momentum will happen on the share coming back to the higher levels. So track it closely. Looking at the Dow Jones, you will see on the Dow Jones, they closed 23 points higher on Tuesday evening, and they're starting to basically fade out at this moment after the huge movements of last week Friday and Monday. So as you can see, trading just above this blue line here on approximately 18144 levels at this moment, testing this previous highs, and that's the reversal that happened. Downward momentum, positive momentum. So we need to see where this momentum will go further on. Currently the futures are a bit negative, and you can see the markets are still waiting for that grease just to be signed. Another rumor that came to the market is that we could expect 2 interest rate hikes, most probably on the American markets. We need to see what could happen, because one of the Fed speakers actually announced it in a gala meeting last night, and he said in American time that there could be a possibility of 2 interest rate hikes happening. Let's see how the markets react to that news. Looking at the J200. Now, very important about the J200, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE. You can see there was the breakdown, sideways pattern, broke this high, breaking up to 47,000 points. And this is also a critical level for us to see if it can break this previous high here. That is why it's critical. If broken, 47,400 and back to 48,000. That's a 1,000 point movement back to this previous highs here. Let's go and look at the retailers. Retailers are currently struggling at this moment. Testing their previous highs, don't break this 166 level, currently trading 164.66. Still in this positive channel here, but we need to see if this is going to be a breakup happening. Otherwise that's going to be the top and a fall again. Watching Woolies, currently stabilizing where it is, from the high to the low, upwards again, and now stabilizing there. The same with Mr. Price, looks exactly the same as Shoprite, also struggling to break that highs. So we need to see if it can follow. If you're going to look at the banks, they started to push up a bit here. Now look at the Standard Bank, low, there's the high. Now testing this high share of 160. If it can break this 161, 162 level, more upside could be due. Currently trading 159. If you look at Barclays itself, a downward channel from the low of the channel to the high of the channel now, needs to break this 185 if you need to see upward movement happening. The same will happen on Investec. Traded to this low of 107, 108, started to move up, needs to break this 112.50 if it needs to move higher. So keep a close eye on the banking sector as well here. Looking at your telecommunications shares, they started to break up nicely the last 2 or 3 days, especially MTN. Vodacom was quite volatile in this movement up and down. Now here's the big question. If you break that low, downward movement. If you break that high, upward movement. Even Telkom, that was in a downward momentum, starts to pick up from this low here at 55 Rand. Now this share moved up yesterday at 2 Rand 50. That's almost 4.3%. The volumes on this share was almost 10 million shares. So something quite good is happening in here. You need to track this closely. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, it still needs to break the 62 Rand level, but the share is trading at 56. So let's see what the momentum could be doing there. Let's go to your CFRs. Now CFRs bounced this, got a bit of a positiveness yesterday of 47 cents, but we need to see if this is going to be reversal. If it needs to be reversal, it needs to break this 104 to go higher, back to the 110 Rand level. Now a share that we looked at it closely. Yes, Steinhoff trading sideways, broke it high. Now yesterday this share went up 156 and it went back to the 75 rand level. So it went down, up again. Look at your life healthcare products. Netcare in a downward channel, struggling to break this 38. Need to see if there could be a bounce up here, and it's been confirmed that it's testing at this moment. But if you look at Mediclinic, that one actually did very well yesterday. Downward channel broke the middle channel up, so it's trading at 105.29. So the big question is, can you rise from this level to that level of 110? And this share got about 3 million shares traded for the yesterday. So volumes are coming in, bargain hunters are coming in. So let's see what the market can give us. Thank you.